Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience with SoFi personal loans. Today, we're taking a look at SoFi personal loans, exploring what they offer and who they might be a good fit for. You can find more information at sofi.com/personal-loans. SoFi offers personal loans for a variety of needs, from debt consolidation to home improvements, and even major purchases. They boast a streamlined online application process, claiming you can check your rate without impacting your credit score, which is a big plus. One of the things that stands out about SoFi is their relatively large loan amounts. You can potentially borrow a substantial sum, which could be helpful for larger projects or consolidating high-interest debt. SoFi also emphasizes its member benefits, including career coaching and financial planning resources. These added perks can be valuable, offering support beyond just the loan itself. However, it's essential to consider the specific loan terms and interest rates offered to you. These can vary based on your creditworthiness and other financial factors. While SoFi highlights competitive rates, it's always wise to compare offers from multiple lenders before making a decision. Don't just jump in, shop around to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. It's worth noting that SoFi also offers unemployment protection on its loans, which can provide a safety net if you lose your job unexpectedly. This feature can offer some peace of mind, but it's important to understand the specific terms and conditions associated with this protection. Be sure to read the fine print to know precisely how it works. Overall, SoFi personal loans present a potentially attractive option for borrowers looking for flexible loan amounts and additional member benefits. However, as with any financial product, due diligence is key. Carefully consider your financial situation, compare rates, and thoroughly understand the terms before committing to a loan. Remember, responsible borrowing is crucial for long-term financial health.